Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalam O Alikum. I'm Engineer Hira Naz from Diamond Tutoring Academy. Welcome to this channel. Today we're going to learn continued ratio. Are you excited to learn that? So let's begin. First, let us understand what does the continued ratio means, right? If two ratios are given like A ratio B, B ratio C of three values like A, B and C, then their ratio is termed as continued ratio, right? How do we find this continued ratio? To find this continued ratio, what we have to do? We have to find this A, this B and the C. So, first we have to place this first ratio as A ratio B. Then we have to place the second ratio, that is B ratio C, and we have to put here, because here is B and here is C, so we have to put this ratio here, B ratio C, like this. Now what you have to do is, you have to multiply these both to get the value of A as AB. Then you have to multiply these both to get the value of this B, that is B into B. And then you have to multiply this B with C to get the value of this C, right? Let us do that with an example. Here you can see we are given two ratios. First one is A ratio B and the second one is B ratio C. And we are given the values of both ratios. And we have to find continued ratio. Continued ratio means we have to find A ratio B ratio C. So for that, what we have to do? First we have to place here A, B, C like this. Then we have to place the value of first ratio, that is A ratio B is 1 ratio 2. So in the place of A is 1, so we have to put here 1. Then we have to put ratio sign, and then 2 is here in the place of B, so we have to put here 2. The next one is B ratio C. At the B place here is 2, so we have to put here 2 for second ratio. And then value of C is 3, so we have to put here 3. Now what we have to do? Now we have to multiply them in a sense like 1 multiplied by 2, which will give us 2. Then 2 with 2, 2 2s are 4. And then 2 with 3 to get the third ratio for C, that is 2 3s are 6. Understand? And that's all. Let me recall this whole process. Whenever you are given two ratios and you are asked to find out their continued ratio or A ratio B ratio C, what you have to do? You have to place A ratio B ratio C or continued in this sense. Then you have to place first ratio and then second ratio. Always place the common member in the mid. Understand? Then you have to multiply A with B and middle term with middle term and then B with C. Understand? To get your answers as A, B and C. First place is the value of A, second is the value of B and third is the value of C, which you need here A, B and C. Understand? So here you can say A ratio B ratio C is 2 ratio 4 ratio 6. Understand? That's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.